Oh na na, fight this shit like sugar cane. Oh yeah, move your waist again. Light up the place, no darling me. Woke up this morning with a fire in my soul. Blessings they come, and they shine, and they glow. Mama say no fear, my picking go blow. Now I dey hustle, steady on the go. Shine my light though, don't forget my vibe oh. Life now one make we dance all night oh. Oh yeah, why my baby, why no?
What if I told you you could grow a YouTube channel, go viral, and make music videos without singing, writing music, or stepping into a studio? Thanks to AI, creators are doing exactly that, building music brands, gaining millions of views, and all without recording a single note. In this video, I'll show you how to make your own viral AI music video using a male character and AI-generated visuals, step by step. Let's dive in. What's going on? Let's take a quick look at AI Music Nova, one of the most exciting AI-driven music channels on YouTube. They joined just under a year ago, and with only 198 videos, they've already pulled in over 130 million views and 274,000 subscribers. All of that using AI-generated music, vocals, and visuals. No studio, no camera, just consistency and creativity. If that's not amazing, I don't know what is. And the best part? You can do it too. I've been using a male visual performer like I'll show you today. Here's everything you need to get started. For lyrics, use ChatGPT or Lyric Studio. For beats and instrumentals, try Suno AI. Now for the visuals, use PicLumen to generate a realistic male character. Use Vidful AI or Huliao AI to animate it. Then sync everything using Dreamface. Finally, bring it all together in CapCut. Let's walk through the process of creating a complete AI music video from scratch. Step 1. I asked ChatGPT to write a motivational Afrobeat song about rising from the ashes and chasing destiny. It gave me this emotional, poetic lyrics with the perfect rhythm and energy. Step 2. I entered a prompt into Suno AI, something like emotional Afrobeat, instrumental with uplifting mood. It instantly gave me a full beat I could use in the video. Step 3. Now let's bring in the visual performance. I used PicLumen to generate a powerful image of a male singer on stage. Here's the exact prompt I used. A confident young black man sitting on a stage under soft spotlight, holding a microphone and singing passionately. He's wearing a denim jacket and black pants, expressive facial features, cinematic lighting, live Afrobeat concert atmosphere, emotional vibe, 4K resolution. Then I uploaded that image to Vidful AI and added subtle motion, slow zooms, a slight head movement to make it feel alive. After that, I synced it with Dreamface. It automatically animated his lips to match the vocals, and boom, the character came alive. Final step, I brought everything into CapCut. Did the beat, animated visual, lyrics, few ambient lighting effects. It was a preview of how it all came together.
Woke up this morning with a fire in my soul. Woke up this morning with a fire in my soul. Oh na na, fight this shit like sugar cane. Oh yeah, move your waist again. Light up the place, no darling me. Woke up this morning with a fire in my soul, with a fire in my soul. Woke up this morning with a fire in my soul. Blessings they come, and they shine, and they glow. Mama say no fear, my picking go blow. Now I dey hustle, steady on the go. And they shine my light though. Don't forget my vibe oh. Life now one make we dance all night oh. Oh yeah, why my baby, why no? From Lagos to Accra, them feel the sound and they holla. Ginger food. cool my matter. I know they tired. I will shine my light though. Shine out, shine. Don't need dim my vibe, oh. Never. Life now want me, we dance all night, oh. Oh yeah, why my baby, why no? Give me love, not the fake on. Yeah. Dance like saying a freedom. Jah they bless my kingdom. Now good vibes we they bring come. Nah.
Let's talk about growth. Post at least 3 times a week. Use catchy titles like AI male vocal will blow your mind. Design thumbnails with cinematic close-ups. Add tags like Jai ain't a music, Jai and Afro beats, Jai are viral video, and pin a comment that says, want part 2? Drop a fire emoji in the comments. A few things to keep in mind. Always credit the AI tools you used. Use royalty-free content or platforms that allow commercial use. Label your content clearly as AI generated. And don't forget, metrics matter. Watch time and click-through rate can make or break your video. And most importantly, add your own spark. AI can assist, but creativity is still your superpower. And that's how you make a full AI music video. Lyrics, visuals, a character that performs, all without recording a single note. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments.
Woke up this morning with a fire in my soul.
Do you want a full real-time example in the next video?
I'ma say no fear, my picking go blow. Now I dey hustle steady on the.
Thanks for watching. Now go create your next viral hit.